My mission is always to inspire as many people to be creative as possible. Whether that's drawing or colouring or just creating and crafting. So for me, I wanted to do a creative project that would inspire others to pick up a pencil and draw. I asked a lot of people when I was working on my new book, what is the thing that stops you from drawing? And time again, I would hear, we're really afraid of the blank sheet of paper. And I get that fear as well. I think every creative person does. I didn't want to create an artwork that was a very complicated, very sort of old school chalk bowl of fruit type thing. For me, it was really important that this was essentially a doodle, a great big elaborate doodle that anyone, could pick up a pencil and attempt to draw the same sort of flowers. There's nothing super fancy here. It's just, the world's biggest doodle. I feel like I just had to keep going. If I'd stopped and put my head up for too long and looked at the amount of blank paper and looked at the clock and thought about it too much, that would have been game over. So for me, my tactic today was just head down, keep drawing. But I just wanted to prove to people that if you picked up that pen and started, you then with a chance of finishing. So my message here is, if I can tackle the world's biggest sheet of paper, you can draw too. And we can be scared together, but also know that we've got a chance of fighting back together. Grab that pencil, grab that pen, don't be afraid of the blank sheet of paper and start drawing.